Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. Today I will teach you realization expenses in dissolution. Sometimes it is borne by firm and sometimes it is borne by partner. Okay. So remember one thing, when realization expenses in case of dissolution are borne by firm and paid by firm, the entry should be realization account debited to bank. Okay. If realization expenses are borne by firm and paid by a partner, okay, पेमेंट किसने किया है? पार्टनर ने किया है. तो रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस तो डेबिट हो गई, रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट तो डेबिट हो गई, ठीक है, टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके. In both the cases, you have to debit realization account. If paid by firm है तो cash is going out to bank, and if it is paid by partner, तो realization account debited to partner's capital account. Okay. And if firm pays, तो cash is going out, तो partner's capital account debited to bank. Okay. Partner's capital account debited to bank. Expenses are borne by partner, and if it is paid by partner only, then there is no entry. Okay. In case of dissolution of partnership, workman compensation reserve is sometimes given in balance sheet. Okay, workman compensation reserve is given in balance sheet. So how will you treat this workman compensation reserve? Okay, so let us take one example that A and B are partners. They are sharing in the ratio of 1:1 in all the cases. Okay, here balance sheet is given and workman compensation is given here. Okay, 50,000. Okay, so there are 5 cases of workman compensation reserve. Number 1 is, if there is no liability against this workman compensation. If there is no liability, you have to transfer this reserve to partner's capital account. Okay. The entry will be workman compensation reserve account 50,000 debited to A's capital account to B's capital account in old ratio. Okay. If there is no liability. And in second case, if there is a liability of rupees 30,000, in this case workman compensation reserve is 50,000 and liability is only 30,000. It means liability is less than workman compensation fund. Okay. So in this case you have to pass 3 entries, 1, 2, 3. One में workman, first of all you have to transfer workman compensation reserve account debited to realization up to the extent of liability only. Okay. This much is the liability, 30,000. You have to transfer only 30,000 to realization account. Okay. Rest 20,000 is divided among partners. Okay. The workman compensation reserve account debited 20,000 to A's capital to B's capital in their old ratio. Okay. 10,000, 10,000. And third entry is, if you have transferred the realization account debited to bank. Third entry is realization account debited to bank. Okay. Because this realization में आपने पहले transfer किया, then you have to make payment of this. This is the second case. And third case is when workman compensation reserve appears in balance sheet at 50,000 and liability against this is 50,000. It means liability is equal to workman compensation reserve. In this case, first of all you have to transfer this reserve to realization account, workman compensation reserve account debited to realization. Okay. And then realization account debited to bank. तो then you have to make payment against this liability, because every liability ka you have to make payment if nothing is given. Okay, 50,000. Okay, and now comes to next point, that is if workman compensation reserve is 50,000, okay, and liability is 60,000. In this case, fourth case, liability is more than workman compensation reserve. Okay, if liability is more than workman compensation reserve, the firm has to pay this much of liability, 60,000. So first of all, you have to transfer workman compensation reserve account debited to realization account, 50,000. Okay, then realization account, when firm is making payment, the realization account debited to bank. Okay, 60,000 with the amount of liability. Okay, next comes to, वैसे तो there are 4 points only, but if there is a case कि there is no workman compensation reserve, if no workman compensation reserve is given and there is a liability of 50,000, no workman compensation, but liability is there 50,000, the firm has to pay this liability in realization account debited to bank. Okay, so remember one thing, if there is no liability, then only one entry should be passed. It is divided among partners in capital accounts. If there is no compensation reserve and liability is there, so it is paid in realization account through bank. Okay, some important points regarding dissolution. If question is silent about realization of an asset, it is assumed that asset has no realized value. So it comes only on the debit side of realization account, not on credit side. Okay. Then if the question is silent about the payment of liability, question is silent about payment of liability, it is paid in full. Remember this thing, liability के बारे में, it is paid in full. Okay. And number third point is, if nothing is mentioned about the treatment of realization expenses, so it is assumed that firm has met the realization expenses. So realization account debited to bank. In this case, realization account debited to bank. Okay. Then next point, very important point. If cash balance and bank balance both are given in balance sheet, okay, so you have to prepare only one account, and either cash account or bank account. Okay, if you are making cash account, so you have to make like this. Cash account mein first of all you have to plot down cash balance. Okay, and bank balance is also given, so you have to transfer this bank balance to cash. Yeah, cash. Okay, like this, cash account debited to bank. Withdraw कर लोगे आप बैंक से, तो आपके पास कैश आ जाएगा. Then you have make payment through cash account. Okay. Next thing is, if bank account is prepared. If bank account is prepared, you have to brought down bank balance. Okay, and cash, bank account debited to cash. Cash is deposited into bank. Okay. Next topic is partners loan account. I have already told you that in case of realization account, you have to prepare realization account, then partners loan account. Okay, partners loan account. if it is given in question about partner's loan. Okay, suppose A is your partner. ठीक है, there are 3 cases of treatment of partner's loan. Okay, so first of all I take case number 1, loan from A 1 lakh. Okay, loan from entry will be A's loan account debited 1 lakh to bank. Okay, you have to prepare A's loan like this. In this case, A's loan account balance should be brought forward on credit side because it is your liability. Okay, then you have to make payment like this to bank. Okay, debit side. Next case is loan from A is 1 lakh, same amount, but A has debit balance. Okay, this is important, debit balance. Debit balance means negative balance. So you have to recover from A 70,000. Okay, then the entry will be A's loan account debited to A's capital. Okay, you have to adjust this capital in his loan account. Okay, 70,000. Remaining 30,000 you have to pay to him. तो यहाँ पे आ गया आपका A's loan. You have to make A's loan account. ठीक है, this is your liability, तो you have to balance brought down on credit side 1 lakh. ठीक है, A has debit balance of capital account. Okay, capital का debit balance है, तो first according to this entry you have to credit A capital. ठीक है, तो A's loan account debited to A's capital 70,000 and remaining 30,000 is paid through bank. Okay, bank 30. Next case 3, loan from A is again 1 lakh. Okay, but A's capital account is 1 lakh 25,000. It is debit balance. It means loan is less than his capital. Okay, so this recovery can be possible out of this capital account. So A's loan account debited 1 lakh and bank is debited by 20,000 to A's capital 1,25,000. Okay, when you make A's loan account, the balance brought down 1 lakh to A's capital, full amount is adjusted through his capital account. Okay, next video I will continue this solution. Okay, till then, bye bye.